Welcome to Gold Canyon, Arizona. This property is located at 7584 South Tower Creek Road. As we enter the front door, we enter the front hallway, and to the left, we'll discover the first front bedroom, followed by a full bathroom. As we enter into the kitchen area, there is a large breakfast bar, ample cabinets, double sink, stainless steel appliances, and a gas stove. Turning from a large living room, we take a hallway that leads us down to the master bedroom. The master bedroom is ample size. The ensuite has a double sink, a walk-in shower, a separate toilet room, and a large walk-in closet. And just down the hall, we'll find two more bedrooms with lots of closet space. The hall bath is accessible from both sides. It has two sinks, a tub, and a toilet area. The laundry room is conveniently located and has a gas hookup. The garage is a full two-car garage. Up front, there are more mountain views. Call today for more details.